Hello all, thanks for checking out the Innovative Explorer. I am Arup and today we are at the Indraprastha Park. Come along and let's explore this park. When I first arrived at the park, I was blown away by what I saw, and as I continued to explore the area, it only improved. It is a large park, and I believe we can divide it into three sections. The first is the main entrance or the central area where the majority of people can sit, and also some small food shops are located. The second is the Shanti Stupa, which is located on the right of the park. It's a beautiful peace pagoda, and I believe it's a replica of the one in Darjeeling. On the left, there is a large park where you may walk, exercise, rest and relax, and so on. I've seen others playing on the far left as well. As a result, the garden has grass all over it, making it ideal for any type of activity. It also offers a soft surface on which children can engage in various sports. It's a lovely spot for a picnic or a get-together with friends and family. It is preferable to visit this location in winter because you will be exposed to a lot of sunshine in the summer. Let me start by talking about the stupa first. The Vishwa Shanti Stupa, also known as the World Peace Pagoda, was dedicated to the people of India and the world on November 14, 2007, in the hopes of promoting long-term peace as Fuji Guruji envisioned. According to him, civilization is not electric light nor airplanes, is not producing nuclear bombs. Civilization is not to kill people, not to destroy things, not to make wars, but to revere each other. This stupa aims to create a place of peace and do encourage programs that promote peace and primarily non-violence across the world. The Shanti Stupa was the brainchild of Fuji Guruji, a Japanese Buddhist monk, in 1978 after having received the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding by the Government of India. The pagoda is 28 meters high and is built with white marble and has a golden pinnacle. The architecture of the stupa has been inspired by the Shanti Stupa in Madhya Pradesh, and a Japanese garden has been constructed in the area around the stupa. Inaugurated on the 14th November 2007, the Vishwa Shanti Stupa is dedicated to people in India and across the world to promote peace and non-violence. As I was going around the stupa, I realized that there were two levels of walking path, and this is the second level. When I visited this place, I saw this particular area which is under construction, and I thought I should go and see how it looks like, and that's the Shanti Stupa from this place, the view of Shanti Stupa from this place. This is under construction and they are currently in progress to have this built. Relics and sacred objects for this stupa was donated by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the President of Sri Lanka, the President of Mongolia, and the Prime Minister of Nepal. This is a beautiful structure and is completely made up of rocks, I mean natural rocks. And this area, I am not sure, but I believe that the people who take care of the stupa resides here. It's a beautiful place, and the house is similar to that of a country house. Over the years, the Shanti Stupa has become a symbol of peace and aims at promoting peace across the country. We are now heading towards the children's park. It's a good place to be in, and if you are visiting with your children, they would have a nice time here. Now we are moving towards the area which has the food shops, and let's see what they have to offer and let's try something out. आज हम हैं इंद्रप्रस्थ पार्क में। अच्छा जगह है, यहाँ पे हम अभी बैठे हैं चाय पीने के लिए। और हाँ
ट्रॉपिकल में जूस लिया उसने।
अच्छा तो चाय पी रही है तो उसके लिए जूस लिया हम लोगों ने।
और यहाँ पे डोसा भी अच्छा मिलता है।
अच्छा हाँ मेनू में अच्छा चाउमीन भी मिलता है, डोसा भी मिलता है। अच्छा टेस्टी खाना मिलता है। अच्छा अच्छा ओके। और आपको यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, खेल भी रहे, पार्क भी है। आपने खेला नहीं? खेला थोड़ा सा खेला आपने, मगर ज़्यादा नहीं खेला अभी। तो आज का मौसम
बहुत अच्छा है, धूप निकला हुआ है तो एक अच्छा व्यू मिला है।
और चाय भी अच्छी है।
हाँ, और जो चाय पी रहे हैं हम लोग, ये चाय भी बहुत अच्छा है।
और रेंज भी सही है, 10 रुपये में।
चाय टी इज़ 10 रुपीज़, कॉफ़ी 15 रुपीज़, कोल्ड ड्रिंक है, पानी नॉर्मल मिनरल वाटर, और चाउमीन 80 और 50 रुपये, सैंडविच भी है 20 रुपीज़।
फूड भी अच्छा ही है, जो ब्रांड निकल रहा है ना वो अच्छा निकल रहा है। हाँ, तो हम लोग मतलब हम लोग तो नहीं लिया क्योंकि हम लोग ने खा के आए हैं इसीलिए।
तो आज हम थोड़ा लकी है, मतलब अभी जो दिल्ली में जो हालात चल रहे हैं, ओमिक्रॉन का केसेस एंड ऑल दो स्टफ्स,
और कोरोना भी दोनों का केस मतलब बढ़ गया है।
सो इन अ सिचुएशन लाइक दिस, यहाँ पे इतना भीड़ भाड़ नहीं है, थैंक गॉड, वी आर इन यू नो इतना भीड़ नहीं है, तो दिस इज अ सेफ प्लेस, मतलब इतना सोचने का ये नहीं है। आप भी आ सकते हो अपनी फैमिली को लेके, घूम सकते हो, एंड यू कैन अपने बच्चे को खेलने के लिए यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं खेलने के, तो आप वो करा सकते हो। और आज हम कोई मतलब लंच या कुछ खाएंगे नहीं, बस क्योंकि हम लोगों ने
लंच करके आ गए
क्योंकि माई वाइफ उन्होंने पहले ये कर दिया था कि खाना वाना खा लेते हैं, खावा के फिर, तो जगह मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। जो नेचुरल व्यू है, जैसे पेड़ और जो ग्रास है, और बीच बीच में यू नो देयर आर स्मॉल रॉक्स एंड ऑल दोस टाइप, मतलब क्या बोले उस चीज़ को,
पत्थर।
हाँ, पत्थर और मूर्ति की तरह, तो पिलर्स की तरह बहुत सारे जगह पे है, आपने देखा होगा पहले, तो वो भी है। एंड दिन अच्छा है, धूप निकला हुआ है, तो इसीलिए अच्छा लग रहा है। मगर यहाँ पे एक ही कैंटीन खुला हुआ है, बाकी सब जो मैं देख रहा हूँ ये सारे बंद है। ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते, मतलब आप आओगे यहाँ पे तो अच्छा लगेगा आपको। बताना आप लोगों को कैसा लगा ये। तो ऐसे दिन में निकले हैं, बट क्योंकि बनाना था, नया जगह कवर करना था, आपको दिखाना था, तो इसलिए हम निकले हैं। तो कमेंट करके बताना कि कैसा लगा आपको, और एक चीज़ यार, लाइक कर देना अगर अच्छा लगेगा वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब भी करना।
और सब्सक्राइब।
Spreading its arms as far as I can see, Millennium Indraprastha Park is a famous tourist spot in Delhi which brims with the goodness of nature. Sculpted in the year 2004 by the Delhi Development Authority, the park is close to Ring Road, Sarai Kale Khan, and offers some of the best views of manicured lawns and gardens splashed with colors. Whether you visit the park in the morning or in the evening, the park gleams with the beauty of nature, which is present in the form of trees and flowers. A special seating arrangement, thatched roofs, and cottages are set up for travelers who want to attach their soul to this park and spend some time listening to the birds chirping and the sunlight piercing through the tree leaves. The park in Delhi serves as the perfect spot to enjoy a picnic with family, as there are also facilities like restaurants, children park, and amphitheatre constructed here. It is one of the highly successful endeavors of Delhi Development Authority. It was conceived in the year 2000. Indraprastha Park sprawls over a long stretch of around 2.7 kilometers. It was a sanitary landfill site for more than 2 decades. The garden has been designed to cater to a large number of people of all age groups. The park has 5 primary zones: Smriti Van, Fragrant Garden, Bougainvillea Garden, Topiary Garden, Foliage Garden, which have an identity of their own, yet are an integral part of the whole with sustainable transition between them. Each zone has a vibrant, serene as well as distinctive character in tune with the requirement of a growing and vibrant metropolis. You can reach here by rail, bus or metro. Finally, the conclusion is that it's a very beautiful place to be in. It's a huge park. You would at least need an hour to 2 hours to visit the entire park. You can come with your childrens and have a good time, with your families to spend a good time, have picnic and enjoy the beauty of nature. Now we are heading towards the end of the video, and before I say goodbye to all of you, I would like to thank you for watching my video and liking it, and I would also request you to take care of your parents, help the aged and stay safe. With that said, I will catch you again on another video on another place. Till then, bye bye.